Welcome back to the bottom line. I'm going to be discussing today the crash of 2020. But before, let's take a look at this. Now that's taken care of. We are here. We opened up here at the previous level. We're now here at this level. All this is caused by panic and fear. Everybody going to their safe havens. You can watch those videos. But here we are. Here we are right this minute at another pretty good support level. Tomorrow's going to determine which direction we think we're going to end up going. But to continue higher, we're going to have to break this resistance. There's a good amount of support. If we drop below that, then we have to break back above this again. Then it just keeps going. Trying to break through, we don't break through, we drop back down to another support. Break back through the bottom of that, well, we got to come back through that to keep going up, and it just continues. We can take a look at what I'm talking about. Those levels I was just talking about, they have to be able to break through them. Then it's just going to keep bouncing till it finds a good level of support. It's also going to be the resistance. Hopefully we come down and hit that blue circle right there. That'll act as a pretty good level of support. And then maybe we won't break through that. If we do, we're going down to the next level of support. And then to climb back up, we got to break through each previous level that we just crashed through. Each one of these we had to break through them to continue higher. Now as we continue dropping, it's going to have to start fighting to get back through those again. And these were pretty hefty resistance levels. Right now it's support. Trying to come back the other way, they're going to be resistance. We have to break through there to get through it. But there's not much support right this minute to bounce off of. But there is, if we go down again, there is quite a bit of resistance to try to break back through the top. And following those red arrows, it'll be bouncing, bouncing, and bouncing, and just keep going down. Just as it tried to go up, hit the support, came back up at another resistance level, tried to break through that. Well, to get through all this mess, that's exactly what we got to do now. We broke below, now we got to fight to get back through it. That's not an easy thing to do while people are scared. And the NBA got shut down, and President Trump has canceled travel into Europe. All this is going to hurt these economies. But it's not all bad. We're going to hit another level. You know, the markets are telling you what they're doing. We just need to pay attention and act accordingly. All the fear, hype, hysteria isn't helping. As bad as things are, the markets will tell you when it's over and it's time to buy. Nothing goes up forever, nothing goes down forever. This isn't going to last a long time. There's been 32 bear markets in the last 100 years. Out of those 32 bear markets, each one lasted for maybe a year. A couple days over. I think the stats are like 367 days. So this time next year, we start looking for things to start coming back up like it did here. You know, it came down over a period of 3 months, and over the next 3 months, it came back up. But this has broken the longest running bull market in history of the last 11 years. It's now done. We're now in bear market territory. And to get back up to another bull market, we have to break through. Everything goes up and everything goes down. What we're looking for is right now it's currently following the previous correction path at that red level right there. It's at right there at that level. If we don't break back through, it's coming down again. We don't break through that, it's coming down one more time. Eventually it hit a good support level, the fear and hysteria will be gone, and then just like this shows, after a steep crash, it levels out and hits bottom or a support, then it heads higher after a steep downturn. Then we're all back on an uptrend. But as of right this minute, we're not to that point yet. The present support level has failed. Now we have to break through that to start climbing back up. That's not bound to happen anytime soon. We're probably looking at several months. Consolidation, trading in a channel, trading in a range before we start climbing. But before we can start climbing, it's got to stop falling. Definitely going to have to start putting some plans in place to stop losses. I did that on the 24th. You watch my videos and join my Facebook group. You know, we talk about this every day. I discuss what the markets are doing as it's happening and why it's doing it. You can go back and watch my previous videos. Hope you do that. If any of these videos are making sense to you, you getting any value out of it, hit that like button. Show me some love.